Okay, just get used to it. Just take your stance. You stood right in front of your stump there, Oli. You stood right across in front of your stump. What guard do you take? Put your toes on middle stump, where middle stump would be. No, like on the line. So if you imagine where you take your stance, there, take your stance there, on that line. Lovely, perfect.
Oli shows a greater understanding of the different length balls and is able to make better decisions as to what shot he is playing to the different deliveries.
Well played, good boy. Okay, good, well played, did a little bit, we had nice soft hands and the ball went down to the ground.
Oli has clearly taken on board the need to keep his back foot still and to step towards the ball, and should continue to do this in the future.
Yeah, just hit the top of your off stump, hard luck, that was a really good ball that. Okay, again you played the right shot, Oli, you just played down the wrong line, that was all.
There's nothing I could have done?
Huh?
So there's nothing I could have done?
No, it was a good ball, okay, you just played down the wrong line, you played the right shot. Okay, so don't worry about it. Well left, good boy. Okay, where did that ball land? Point with your back where it landed. You've missed, you're out by about 2 metres. So what does that tell me? What are you doing with your cameras? You're not watching the ball hard enough. You can't point exactly where the ball landed. You're not watching it hard enough. Okay? Huh? Watch the ball. That's it, you're just got to watch the ball more. Be nice and positive. There you go. Easy. Well played. Very good. And again, very nice. Good footwork, Oli. Lovely and positive. Well played. Good boy. Well played. Nice footwork. Really good. Well left, 2 wide, she left it alone. Good boy. Well played. Okay, where did that ball land? Okay. Running there. Okay, where did that ball land? You're still out by about 2 metres. Watch the ball. Oh, hard luck, doesn't matter. Okay, your front foot still went towards the leg stump there, that's why you edged it. So try and get it towards the ball, that's all. Good boy. Good effort, that. Oli, that's a lovely shot. Well played. Very nice. That was fine because the ball went a little bit more towards the leg. You were in the right position to hit it back here, weren't you?
Areas for development. Oli misses some balls purely because of where his front foot is going. He automatically plants his front foot down leg stump line or outside leg, which means his wickets are open. Therefore, balls that are outside off stump or even down middle stump, his head and eyes are not in line with the ball and his hands have to reach to hit the ball. As the video progresses, Oli starts to step towards the ball, resulting in him getting into a good position and hitting the ball nicely into the correct straighter areas.
play. Boy, that's all right. Couple of red ones. 2 red ones. Just watch the ball.
He hates legs.
Doesn't matter. Pick them up. Doesn't matter, we're practicing.
We need to practice with the red ones.
Yeah. Okay, one more then. Oh, okay, right, good start, Ollie. That solid. Perfect.
Sorry, just give me 10 now we have to.
Okie dokie. Come on, Ollie. All right, ready? That is perfect. All right, don't change that. That's brilliant. Great start. Whoa!
Now pull it 7.
Think about that foot. Watch the ball. Yeah, you see that, Solly? See where his foot went? Yeah. Cowley?
Ollie should continue to think about the different types of balls and remember he has to pick the correct shot for every ball and that he needs to bat for at least 200 balls to score 100 runs.
Exactly, that's the difference. Just got to get that foot there.
So far you're on a 5. My foot went in the right place.
Huh?
My foot went in the right place.
You went what?
My foot went in the right place.
It did, yeah, it did. Okay, we're going to speak about that in a minute. Couple more. Couple more, don't worry about it too much, alright? We're just practicing.
Why did that happen?
Huh?
Why did that happen?
Okay, we'll talk about that and then have a couple more and I'll come down there and have a chat about it, alright?
Okay. Hey, stop it back.
That's alright, don't worry about it. Okay, just have a watch. Watch the ball. Oh, well left. Okay, that was a good ball, well left. Okay, it's fine. Try and keep your back foot still. One more and I'll come down there. Alright, one more. Oh, well, that goes there. Okay. Okay, so I should be seeing the top of your head then, Ollie, on the top of your helmet. Good start. Brilliant.